Hi everybody, it is a beautiful day in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today we have a brand new Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless that just arrived today. We uncovered it and we wanted to show you. So this 250 Dauntless is outfitted with the new Mercury 400 horsepower V10. This is in beautiful white, goes really well with the boat, especially the white exterior with the blue accents. This boat is really made to be utilitarian and hybrid. So here we have one of the pop-out jump seats all set up for you so you can check it out. But if you need the room for casting, it drops down to this fiberglass non-skid platform that gives you plenty of space. In between the two jump seats, we have a live well, plenty of room, and it's really set up for fishing. Now, moving forward, we have the leaning post. We have a ton of storage here. We got 3 drawers. And then we have this cabinet that houses a 5-gallon Boston Whaler pail. The leaning post has these 4 cup holders. We have 2 rod holders on each side. And then up on the hardtop, we have 4 rocket launchers and a tow point. The leaning post on this 250 Dauntless is very comfortable, very nice. We have these flip down bolsters. We have flip up and down armrests. We have a great foot rest up here, so when you are sitting down, you have something to brace your feet against. We have 2 cup holders. We got the Simrad VHF, the JL audio, the Mercury digital throttle, and the Simrad, and of course the Boston Whaler wheel on a tilt. On top of the console, of course, we have our compass. We have USB and USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad, and of course we have to have the sea deck on top. Let's move up to the forward chase lounge in front of the console. This chase lounge is massive, very comfortable for 2 people. Of course, full leg length with flip down armrests, cup holders, everything that you would need. Really nice part about this 25 is that unlike many 25s, we have a massive amount of storage in here. You can fit a lot of gear in here. This also houses your table for the bow seating. Also, nice feature with this forward lounge compartment is that you feed in your rods through here. The rod tips go through a passageway into the head compartment. This hatch locks as well as the head latch, so you can keep your rods and reels in here and they are safe. Up in the front of the bow, we have the flip-up backrests. As you see here, we have this one set up so that you can add basically 2 more full leg length loungers in the bow. And it really just goes towards that hybrid utilitarian idea that Boston Whaler has with this 250 Dauntless. You can rip off these cushions, and then again, you have another large casting platform. And then, of course, you need a fish box. Nice, large, deep fish box up here. And then, of course, we have the head compartment that I mentioned earlier to put the rods through. This thing is large, it's spacious. It does have a pump out head as well. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, please call and reach out. We look forward to seeing you on the water, and have a great day.